welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation that I got for free through Influenster. If you don't know what Influenster is, it's an app. You download it, you fill out your information, you connect your social media accounts, and then you start reviewing products that you already own, and then eventually, with any luck, you'll get a bunch of free stuff like this. I've gotten free perfume, free makeup, free hair care products. It's really great. I'll link it below. Sign up now, you won't regret it. So I didn't get one, but I got two foundations for free. That's a total of $78 worth of foundation for free. They're $39 each. I got the shade 10CP and 20CP. This foundation has 50 different shades, which I think is great, and it claims to last up to 24 hours. Now, I've been playing with this for the past like 2 days, and I don't know if for me it will last for 24 hours. I'm also outside in South Florida. It's 91 degrees out here, so that might affect it, but I do think it looks really great on the skin. I think it does look natural. It says that it has, let me read to you what it claims. 1 second. It says, find your naked truth with Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, our vegan, buildable, medium coverage liquid foundation with a real skin matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours. I think that it does have a real skin look, I will say that. Feels like you're wearing nothing thanks to a breathable, flexible formula that moves with you all day and all night up to 24 hours. I'm going to do a wear test. I'm going to probably be outside all day or most of the day. Might even exercise. I'm going to play with that little guy. Hopefully he doesn't poo in the video. That would be awkward. And we'll check in and see how it's holding up. Okay, so the shade that I think matches me the most is the 20CP. I'm not going to use primer. I don't like primer. It's not for me. I'm going to use my little kabuki brush from, I think it's from Bare Minerals. I start off with just a little dot and I build up from there. Better to start off with less and then add more. The lighter shade as concealer. Why not? I'm gonna back up a little and hopefully we'll get more sun so you can see better. Okay, well I don't know if backing up works, but I am gonna take you more into direct sunlight. I pretty much have one pump on my skin. I'm going to give you a little close-up. Go into the shade a little. You can still see some of my redness and everything else poking through. So I would say it is more of a medium coverage. I'm going to try to build it up a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more. Tiny amount. Okay, so I probably have like a pump and a half on my face right now. I'd say if you have a lot of dry skin, it might cling to dry patches. I had, at least yesterday, a little bit like over here and around my eye, and it kind of clung to it, so it does claim also that it minimizes the appearance of pores. I don't know if that's true either because I can still see my pores. They're about the same size as they were before. So I don't know about that part. I'm going to put on the lighter color now, 10CP, underneath my eyes. Just a little bit, A little bit goes a long way. Okie, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and we're gonna come back and we're gonna look at it closer again. Okay, I got all the makeup done. If you want to know what I use, I'll leave that in the description box below. But let's take another close-up while the dog is licking my leg. I think it definitely clung to my dry patches, especially under my eyes, so be aware of that. I'm already sweating out here, so we'll check in about an hour or two. Popping back on immediately after I said I'd see you in an hour or two. I just came inside so you can maybe see. I didn't know if there would be a difference in the way it looked outside versus inside, but here it is. I don't know if you can see under my eye where the dryness is or not. But yeah, I think all in all it does look nice. See how well it holds up. For real this time. See you in like 2 hours. Alright, check-in number 1. It is about 4:30. I believe I finished doing my makeup around 1:30. So it's been about 3 hours. And I worked out outside. Then I came in because it was too hot. And I worked out inside. And I think it's looking pretty decent. It hasn't really worn off or anything. No real complaints here. So check-in number 1, 3 hours later. Things are looking great. Alright, it is 8 o'clock now, so a couple hours later. My eyeshadow is pretty much the only thing that's starting to flake in my mascara, but other than that, the foundation still looks pretty good. I'm not seeing any major problems or anything. What do you think? I've got some red around my nose just because that's where my glasses were. But all in all, I think it's held up nicely. It's been how many hours? About 7-ish? Close to 7? A little more than 7? So for 7 hours, my makeup still looks pretty decent. Alright, last check-in of the night. It is a little past 11:30. I've been wearing this since 1:30, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 10 hours I've been wearing this. And, well, let me give you a little close-up. It's starting to wear off, I think. It doesn't quite look like what it did when I first put it on. I will say I was rubbing my nose a lot because I have allergies, so it came off a little bit around my nose. I was rubbing my forehead like an hour ago and I noticed it was transferring to my fingertips. So it is, I don't think it's transfer proof, even though I'm pretty sure it claims to be. So yes, it says does not transfer. So I'm not sure if I really believe that or not. So I will say that I love the packaging. It's really sleek. And let me see if I can open this with one hand. I love the packaging. It's really sleek and attractive. It looks really classy. Really nice. So bonus points for that. It does work really well. Even through the heat and exercising, it lasted a lot. I think it's probably better than a lot of my current foundations. I'm definitely going to keep using it. So all in all, I give it a thumbs up. I like it a lot. Thank you, Influenster and Urban Decay. Thanks for watching.